Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anaga and this is Dr. Praveen Jacob. Well, pineapple is the fruit for most of us, but today let us look at the health benefits and its major role in our immune system. Here we have with us Dr. Praveen Jacob, who is going to tell us about the health benefits of pineapple. Dr. Praveen, I welcome you.
Yeah, so people are confused about which diet to choose during the period of this crisis. There are many rumors across us. Few says that that is good, this one is good. But how to choose a right food during this period of crisis, which is packed with substantial amount of evidences. So therefore, I had been extensively searching and I was looking into various research articles published from different reputed universities and I came across with a fantastic fruit, incredible, amazing, miraculous fruits, pineapple.
Okay.
And before that, I would like to share my personal testimony as well. Viral warts.
Okay.
Is mediated by a virus called as human papilloma virus. Human papilloma, and very cancerous. And it is non-risk factor for CS cervix of women.
Yes.
Yeah. So there is no cure for human papilloma virus, isn't it? Because it's a virus category.
Yeah.
It's known to everyone that there are not any good medications to disable virus particularly. And 2003, I visited Tuber Research Institute in Trivandrum, located at Kerala, and happened to meet the director. And he suggested me the pineapple has got antiviral properties.
Okay.
And he could help lots of people to get rid of the viral warts. And just I kept in my mind, I was not passionate to practice naturopathy or maybe, not interested in my medical profession. I just switched over to agriculture. And after 1 month, I visited my sister's house in Calicut and happened to meet a lady and distant relative of my brother-in-law. And she complained me, doctor, I have viral warts, more than 100 in my body. I undergo for laser therapy. It get cleared, but again relapse in 2 or 3 months. She complained me. Suddenly I recalled the words of director. Pineapple has got antiviral property and particularly against the human papilloma virus, which is a culprit for viral warts. So I suggested, why don't you try pineapple? Yeah. So she told, okay. It happened in 2003. And 2009, I went to her house to invite for my marriage. My marriage was held in 2009. And soon after entering to her house, she told me, doctor, I got complete cure from your magic remedy. What did I tell you? Then she told me, you told me to consume pineapple now. So I consumed 3 months consecutively, I got complete recovery. More than over 100 warts simply fallen down.
Oh.
I was really kept in my mind. I graduated 2003 and I never practiced until 2012. Again, I got motivated and I switched over to naturopathy field. So then I decided to do some basic research on pineapple. Then I came across with a miraculous compound found only in pineapple called as bromelain. The bromelain is a type of enzyme, a protease enzyme, which can break down proteins. So these viral particles are made up of different type of proteins. Bromelain being an enzyme, digestive enzyme, a protease enzyme, a protein break enzymes can disintegrate proteins of virus particle.
Wow.
Bromelain. Bromelain is the so the most of the antiviral properties of pineapple attributed to bromelain.
Okay. That's a wonderful, wonderful compound that is found in pineapple, that is bromelain. So as doctor said, out of his personal experience, you listened to how pineapple could cure viral warts which was otherwise incurable. So doctor, let us see about the molecular mechanism.
Yeah, let me show you one study.
Yes.
The bromelain inhibits SARS-CoV-2 infection in virus E6. Scientists found that the bromelain from pineapple could block 2 important proteins called as ACE2 and TMPRSS2, transmembrane protease serine 2. The 2 classes of protein are blocked by bromelain. So let me show you what is this receptor. Virus part, coronavirus, which has got a spike protein called as S protein. This is S domain. and this is a human receptor, ACE2 protein. So it's like a key and lock mechanism.
Okay.
So this S protein of COVID virus should by adhering to
ACE2.
attaching to ACE2 proteins.
Okay.
So the bromelain in pineapple can disintegrate S protein, simultaneously it can block ACE2 protein.
Okay.
Got it? So virus cannot enter to
Enter.
human cells.
Yeah.
If it cannot enter, it cannot get replicated, simple logic.
Yeah.
That's what, this is a ACE2 blocker and S2 protein. So there is a two important protein called as spike protein. The spikes of the coronavirus is nothing but a type of protein,
Yeah.
and the coronavirus use same protein to enter into human cells. Therefore, if that protein is disintegrated, coronavirus cannot enter. This is the amazing mechanism.
So friends, you saw the dual mechanism of bromelain. One thing is it disintegrates the spike protein that is found on the virus, and then simultaneously it blocks the receptors which will attach to the virus, which means first thing is by disintegrating the viral proteins, the virus will be disfigured, which means the body will not be able to attach to it. And the second thing is by blocking the receptors, ACE2 receptor, bromelain goes and blocks this receptor, and once it is blocked, this cannot bind to any other protein, that is the viral protein. So once the virus is blocked, it definitely cannot enter the body, and in this way it blocks the entry of virus and in turn any infection related to this virus. So doctor, thank you for educating us and letting us know this beautiful pathway, bromelain, which is found in pineapple, and I am sure that most of us like pineapple, but not many of us knew about this mechanism. So we are really happy and thankful to you. Thank you very much.